Hey guys. Okay, say I'm going to show you how you're going to get Read Live loaded starting tomorrow. So I opened up my Read Live session for tomorrow, and all you're going to do starting tomorrow is go to your load content and then go to your file where you saved the Read Live breakout room plan. And then once that's loaded, you're going to notice that you can actually this time load the fall landing and breakout room slides. So just click on that. And then what's going to happen is the landing page for the students is going to open up. And the next page is actually the one you're going to load to the breakout rooms. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Don't click on the winter one. We'll use that in the winter months, but right now we're still in fall, so we want the pretty fall leaf slides. And then just describe your compound action, which will open up your breakout rooms. Then all you have to do is Tools, Whiteboard, copy this page to the breakout rooms, go back to your landing slide, open up your permissions that you want them to have. And since you don't really have a spiel to do at this point, I just right off the bat starting tomorrow, open up application sharing, allow them to move themselves. And then as they actually pop into Read Live, you say, hey, okay, you can go and get started. Don't forget to, turn your talk button on, and don't forget to application share with me. And so Amina, say she pops in. Amina's going to come into her breakout room and she's going to go ahead and get started. So no PowerPoints needed anymore now that the training is done. So yeah, that's all you really have to do starting tomorrow. So let me just try that one more time with you. So again, all I did was I went into load content. I went to whatever you labeled the breakout room plan for Read Live. It's going to load up. Click on load the fall landing and breakout slides, and then just go to your compound action. Okay? All right.